Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, August 24th, and this is my full top-down analysis for the US dollar yen. And we are on the monthly time frame, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the monthly time frame, it seems to me like we're either in a big wave 3 right now or a big wave C. This first push down is either an A or a 1. This push up right here, I think, is either a B or a 2. And I think we're either in a downtrend for a C, which would go down to about the 100% Fibonacci extension, or the 78% Fibonacci retracement, or possibly it's a wave 3. If it's a wave 3, it's probably going to go down to at least a 161% Fibonacci extension. So either scenario, we are still looking at these very high time frames as likely going down much, much more. Going down to the weekly time frame, yes, we've been going up for several months now, but we still do not have a break of trend. So the trend is definitely still down. This could even end up being like a 1-2 and then eventually go down for a big wave 3 of C or a wave 3 of 3, just like I showed on the monthly time frame. So definitely still very, very bearish on the very, very high time frames. Going down to the daily. Now, I still think this seems like a very recognizable correction. I think it's three waves of W, one, two, three, and then three waves of X, one, two, three, and possibly one, two, three waves of Y. If that's the case, then it needs to go down and break structure to the downside, which it definitely still has not done yet. The month of August has been extremely sideways for this pair so far. So going down to the 4 hour time frame, if you see my videos last week, I was saying that it was likely going to go up and take out these highs and probably grab a Fibonacci level before it pushed down, which is exactly what it did. I think this is like a 1, 2, 3 up for like a W type thing, and it's probably like it's not the clearest thing. It kind of seems like this should be the X, even though it's not three waves, and then one, two, three waves up for a wave Y. So it looks like a WXY type pattern. More than likely, I think that because of the higher time frames, I think it is eventually going to go down and break this structure once it's ready and once it finally breaks out of this big range that we're in. Because even with that big push down we had on Friday, we are definitely still within a very tight trading range. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, on the 1 hour time frame, this is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down because the trend is definitely down. We definitely want to have a short bias. We definitely don't want to try to go short right at the bottom of a huge push like this. But if it starts to make a decent pullback, a nice little 1, 2, 3 way pullback to any one of these Fibonacci levels and then an engulfing move to the downside, we definitely do want to have a short bias because of the much higher time frames. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.